he gets all the Infinity Stones.
He can do it with the snap of his fingers. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Thanos.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at some cases from Otterbox, a part of the Marvel series. And one question do I have for you is, did Thanos kill you? So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about.
When I'm done, half of humanity will still exist.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have 3 cases from Otterbox. It's a part of the Symmetry series case, and this does have the Avengers Infinity War theme on it, guys. So you guys definitely check it out. We got Black Panther, we got Thanos, and we have the Iron Man case right here. So if you guys want to pick this up, I will actually have a link down below. And for this one is for the iPhone 10, and they do have it for the S9 Plus and the S9, I believe. I would definitely have to leave a link down for that if you guys are looking for the same exact case. We haven't found no videos. Let's just back out here. Alright guys, so here's the cases. So let's start off with the Iron Man series, and as you guys can see from there, it does actually glow in the dark, which is pretty cool. So let's pop this baby out, see what it looks like. Beautiful on the inside. So we do have the Infinity War logo on the inside there. This is a part of the Symmetry series cases. Pretty dope. Gear up to accomplish every mission with proven Otterbox protection that's known across the universe. Big shout out to Otterbox for that. And you do have the logo right over there. So here's the Iron Man right over here, and we do have the logo for Otterbox on the side. It does have some nice material, guys. Let's see if anything is popping out. Any type of 3D effect. And you got the red all around. And we do have the logo for Marvel right over there. So let me lower down this brightness so it's not looking too bright. But as you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. And it does actually remind me of the one that I have for the Star Wars series. So Black Panther, guys, Wakanda Forever, and on the back you do have that information there. I didn't pick that up in the last one. Look what that says, POW. That's funny. Alright, so let's just pop this baby out and see what the Black Panther one looks like. So it's almost like a bluish purple look here, and on the inside you do get the same color, so it actually matches pretty good. And you do have the logo for Black Panther on the inside here. So we do have a lot of exclusives from Otterbox for each movie. So with this one, it was probably made for the Black Panther movie. So you guys can definitely pick it up. And the best thing about the Symmetry cases, guys, is the protection that it brings. Because it's not a cheap case, guys. As you guys can see, this thing is a boss. And I could definitely recommend this. I think the only problem with these cases is that they actually pick up scratches pretty much, but you could definitely not see them like with dark color. So hopefully this one will be okay. So here we go, guys. The Thanos edition Symmetry case for your iPhone 10 with the Otterbox logos, by the way. Boom. Check out like the 3D effect that actually brings, guys. This is dope. I'm telling you, I love the way this looks. Black on the inside with the Marvel logo. Did Thanos kill you? Pow. So on the inside of this one, you do get the same thing as that one, and you have the Avengers Infinity. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And so here's my iPhone 10, guys. I'm going to see what everything looks like. So it's a basic installation. You just have to pop it in. Just like that. There you go. There's your iPhone 10 and the Iron Man color. And there's no need to have to buy an Avengers edition because this one is pretty clean. And as you guys can see from my wallpaper, I'm definitely in the mood here. Okay, so let me turn my brightness up. So I'm definitely feeling these cases, guys, and the lip action you get is all over, and the porch looks absolutely perfect. There's nothing wrong with that. And the volume up and down, they're clicky, and you do have enough room for your mute and toggle switch, and the lip action on the camera looks pretty cool too. So if you want to dive into that, you can get into that if you want to. There you go. I'm definitely feeling the Iron Man case. And it does actually glow in the dark, guys. So I think that the inside here by his eyes actually glow in the dark. So I'm going to definitely check that out. And I'll let you guys know if it's dope or not. But it definitely looks cool. Okay, so let's get into the Black Panther edition. So we got the blue right here. I'm definitely feeling this one too. Looks pretty cool. I'm definitely feeling the look.
Okay, I found this.
No, not right now, Siri. So, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below who is your favorite Marvel character. Because the Black Panther one was a hidden gem actually last year. And now we have a lot of fans who love Black Panther. But Thanos, this guy right here, guys. This dude is dope. So let me pop this baby in. And I'll probably rock this one out. Because you know he's a boss. I mean, he's basically like the best villain that Marvel's had in the last 10 years as far as movies. So I'm definitely feeling this one a lot. So if you guys like the Thanos case, if you guys like the Black Panther case or the Iron Man case, I will actually have a link down below and you guys can pick it up. So follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Otterbox, Symmetry, Marvel cases, and you guys can let me know which one you like down below. I'm definitely feeling the Thanos one, and I do actually like the Iron Man one too because it glows in the dark with his eyes, but I definitely love the look of this and it almost looks like he's popping out of the case. Alright guys, peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe. But this does put a smile on my face.